Demystifying Overrate, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss: the word overrate. This is a term that you might have heard in various contexts. And today we're going to break it down, explain its meaning, and show you how to use it in sentences. By the end of this video, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of overrate and how to use it confidently in your daily conversations. So, let's dive in. Overrate is a verb, and it's made up of two parts: over and rate. The prefix over means too much or excessively, and rate means to evaluate or judge the value or worth of something. When combined, overrate means to rate or evaluate something too highly or to think of something as better or more valuable than it actually is. In simpler terms, if you overrate something, you believe it is better than it really is. This could apply to a wide range of things, including movies, books, skills, or even people. To help you understand how overrate is used in context, let's look at some example sentences. 1. Some people think the movie is a masterpiece, but I believe it is highly overrated. 2. Don't overrate his contributions. Others were involved too. 3. The restaurant had great reviews, but I found it overrated. In each of these sentences, overrate is used to express the idea that something is given too much praise or value than it deserves. A common mistake learners make is confusing overrate with underrate. To underrate means to not recognize the value, worth, or quality of something. It's the opposite of overrate. Here's how to distinguish them. Overrate, to give too much credit or value. Underrate, to give too little credit or value. Be careful not to mix them up in your conversations. And that's everything you need to know about the word overrate. We hope this video has helped clarify its meaning and how you can use it in your own conversations and writings. Remember, the key is to recognize when something is being praised more than it deserves, and that's when overrate comes into play. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful English language learning content. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.